The value of a move-in fresh start with Best Miami Movers. A downsizing relocation, Miami offers the chance to enter the new year lighter, streamlined, and less stressed. Less stuff, less cash, simpler move. Every extra item you pack adds to the total weight and volume of your move, which costs more. Less boxes means less packing material, less transportation, and faster unloading. Storage and handling of excess stuff. The Miami Movers provides Best Miami Movers storage facilities for pieces that you don't wish to live without but can't just add to your new home. By taking the time to downsize before your move, you'll enter your new space feeling organized and refreshed. The process doesn't just make packing easier, it helps create mental clarity and peace of mind. At the Best Miami Movers, we've seen firsthand the difference that a thoughtful, focused clean out before winter can make to what would otherwise be a stressful move into an easy transition. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.